Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install OpenShot video editing software. So first of all, you have to know what is OpenShot video editing software. If you want, you can edit any of your video using OpenShot video editing software. So guys, using this OpenShot video editing software, you can edit your video as per your choice. Okay. If you want to reduce or if you want to increase your video size, you can also set it using this OpenShot video editing software. Now I am going to show you how to download OpenShot video editing software. So for this you will open any browser from your system. Okay. So here I am opening Google Chrome browser. Okay. So this is my Google Chrome browser. Here I am typing OpenShot video editing software or OpenShot video editor. Just type enter. Now you can see this link, that is www.openshot.org. Click here. This is the OpenShot video editing website link. Okay, so this is the website is www.openshot.org. So from here you can download it for free. Okay, so you don't have to pay any rupees. Okay, you can download it from here for free. So for download it, just click on this download option. Okay, now click here for download it, that is v2.5.1 version. Okay, just click here for download. Now you can see this software downloading. Okay, so after download it, you can see this option. Just click here and show the folder. Click here. Now you can see this software already downloaded. Okay, now select the software and double click here. Click on this yes option. Okay, click on OK option. Now click on this accept the agreement. Now click on this next button. So now you can see at least 430.1 MB free disk space is required. Okay, now click on this next button. Click here, create a shortcut in your desktop. Okay, if you want you can select it. Okay, now click on this next button. Now click on this install button. Now the software is installing. Okay, it is taking some time, so please wait for it. Okay, the installing process is going on. Okay, please wait some time for it. So it's almost done. Now this installing process is over. Okay, you can see completing the OpenShot video editing setup. Okay, now click on this finish option. Okay, now for open the video editing software, just go to your start button from here. So from this list you can find out any software which you already install in your system. Okay, now I am showing you how you can open the OpenShot video editing software from a system. Okay, now you can see the O option, and under this O option you can see this OpenShot video editing software. Okay, so for open it, just double click here. Here my OpenShot video editing software is already open. Okay, so guys, this is all about how to download and install OpenShot video editing software. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.